Welcome back to my channel again. In this video we are going to study about blood groups, and in the previous class we have studied about the white blood cells, and we have studied about the different types of white blood cells. They are granulocytes and agranulocytes, and we also looked at types of granulocytes and agranulocytes, and moreover we have also studied about the different structures of cells and their functions. So in this video we are going to study about the blood groups. So firstly, blood group was first discovered by Carl Landsteiner in 1901. Okay. So his work helped in the safe transfusion of blood, and he was awarded the Nobel Prize in Medicine in 1930. So this is the brief history of the discovery of blood and blood groups. Okay. So blood groups. Blood groups are classified based on ABO system and rhesus factor, also known as RH factor. So blood groups are classified based on ABO system and rhesus factor or RH factor. So according to the ABO system, there are four major blood groups which are determined by presence or absence of antigens. There are two types of antigens. They are antigen A and antigen B. So antigens are found on the surface of the red blood cells. The antigens are found on the membrane of the red blood cells. Another one is rhesus factor, also known as RH factor. So according to the rhesus factor, there are 8 blood groups based on presence or absence of RH factor. So based on the ABO system, we have 4 major blood groups. They are A positive, B positive, AB positive and O positive. And according to the RH factor or rhesus factor, we have 8 blood groups. They are A positive, A negative, B positive, B negative, AB positive, AB negative, O positive, O negative. So one who has RH factor is called RH positive. So RH factor is a protein, and they are found on the membrane of the or the surface of the red blood cells. Example, if you have a blood group A and your blood has RH factor on the surface, then your blood group is A positive. And one who lacks is called RH negative. Example, if you have a blood group B and your blood has no RH factor on the surface of the RBC, then your blood group is B negative. If the RH factor is found on the surface of red blood cells or the membrane of the red blood cells, then your blood group is positive. And if your red blood cells has no RH factor on the membrane or the surface, then your blood group is negative. So we have antigens and antibody. So firstly, antigens. Antigens are protein on the surface of a red blood cells membrane. So we have two types of antigens. They are antigen A and antigen B. And antibody means the protein produced by white blood cells in response to the presence of antigens is called antibody. So what is the main function of antibody is to attack foreign antigens, which results in blood clumping or agglutination. So clumping means the clotting, coagulations of blood. Clotting of blood is known as clumping. Let's look at ABO system. Based on the ABO system, we have blood group A and blood group B, blood group AB and blood group O. So according to the ABO system, there are 4 major blood groups. They are blood group A, blood group B, blood group AB and blood group O. And we have blood group A, B. Blood group AB is known as universal recipient, and blood group O is called universal donor. So blood group A has antigens A and antibody B, and blood group B has antigens B but antigen A, and blood group AB universal recipient has antigen A and B. Blood group AB has both the antigens, they are A and B, but they do not have antibody A and antibody B. And in the blood group O, also known as universal donor, do not have antigens. Do not have antigens but have antibody A and antibody B. So blood group A can donate blood to blood group A and blood group AB. So blood group B can donate to blood group B and blood group AB, and blood group AB can donate to blood group AB only. And blood group O can donate to blood group O, A, B, AB. So blood group O can donate to all the blood groups. Therefore, the blood group O is known as universal donor. And the blood group A can receive blood from A and O. And blood group B can receive blood from blood group B and blood group O. And blood group AB can receive blood from AB and ABO. Blood group AB can receive blood from all other blood groups. Therefore, blood group AB is known as the universal recipient. And blood group O can receive blood from blood group O only. Number 2 we have is rhesus factor. So blood group is classified based on rhesus factor, and based on the rhesus factor, the RH factor is found on surface of RBCs, and one who has RH factor is called RH positive, and one who lacks is called RH negative. So firstly, this is RBCs, red blood cells. This is red blood cells, and on the surface of the red blood cells we have antigens A or B. So antigens are found on the surface of the red blood cells or the membrane of the red blood cells. We have two antigens, antigen A and antigen B. And rhesus factor is similar to the antigens. Rhesus factor or RH factor also found on the surface of the red blood cells, similar to the antigens. According to the RH factor, we have blood group A positive, A negative. Then we have blood group AB positive, AB negative, and blood group B positive, B negative, and we have blood group O positive, O negative. So in the next class we are going to study about the transfusion of blood. Transfusion of blood. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Thank you.